Having more than one driver in a set of earphones is almost unheard of. Now Xiaomi has made their own interpretation of the dual driver, but does it make any sense? Hi guys, I'm Paul and welcome to another episode of Paul's POV. So first off, I'd like to start by mentioning that I usually refrain from listening to headphones and earbuds in this price range because more often than not they are plagued with distortion and all sorts of other issues. Xiaomi got my attention because they've done something different with these new little buds. So what do you get in the box? You get your user manual, you get your extra ear tips, and you get the earphones, of course. So the first thing you notice with these earphones are the anodized aluminum earbuds that have a very nice matte finish and feel cool to the touch. There's a rubber cable leading down from the buds themselves, which eventually lead down to the microphone and volume buttons and feature button. You move towards a beautifully braided cable that's really tough, which terminates to a 3.5mm jack that you plug into your cell phone. So these earbuds snap together with the help of magnets, and they've got a very neat carbon fiber finish at the end of them. Coming back to the microphone, your voice is carried out extremely well as the incoming signal is quite clear. Moving on to the sound. For this, I'd like to get a bit technical. Now, dual drivers have been out for a while, and technically speaking, this is one of them. So the driver in the middle is handling all the high frequencies, and the driver on the outside is handling all the mid to low frequencies. And as you can notice, both are on the same plane. If the tweeter were ahead of the woofer or the tweeter were behind the woofer, it's almost as good as putting some material in front of the driver. So if I were to do this, it's going to block a certain amount of the air being pushed around, which is where you get the sound from. Now if something like that happens, you're going to hear a muffled sound, or there's going to be a certain amount of distortion. It's not going to be as clear as it possibly could. Now, replicating something as complicated as this in an area that's just a few millimeters is close to impossible. Because if you just look at the woofer alone, it has to be made of something extremely rigid so it doesn't bend, it doesn't warp while it's pushing air to create your sound. Materials involved in this kind of construction are extremely expensive to make. There's a lot of R&D that goes into them. Now, apart from these issues, there's still one more big problem staring at you right in the face. If these two drivers haven't been tuned to work together hand in hand, one or the other is going to have a trade-off. If you've got too much bass coming in from the woofer, it's going to cancel out mid-tones and higher frequencies. If you've got the higher frequency driver working overtime, it's going to be too brittle, it's going to be too sharp, you're going to be hurting your ears, it's not going to be enjoyable at the least. Now imagine this being shrunken down into a few millimeters. And scene. Now the Xiaomi dual driver earbud comes with a 10mm and an 8mm driver. The 8mm is slap bang in front of the 10mm driver. So this really makes you wonder about the issues I mentioned just previously. But let's talk about how the sound was. So I was pleasantly surprised at how little distortion these things had, especially considering the issues they would have faced and considering how little these cost. So if you're into listening to a lot of EDM, the bass will surprise you. It is hefty, it is strong, it's powerful, but as suspected, it does seem to interfere with the mid frequencies and higher frequencies. There is a certain dip in the mids and the highs, but it's not as noticeable in different kinds of music. Like if you listen to rock, if you listen to pop, music where there's not too much information flowing through as much as electronic music does handle these frequencies a lot better because you don't have the rear diaphragm interfering with the front diaphragm as much as it would with EDM. If you're into listening to vocals, you'll realize that there's a very clear recession in the vocal range. It's very evident that the lower frequencies do interrupt the mids and the higher frequencies when you listen to that kind of music. You can play around with your EQ settings on your phone if you want to tweak that sound to your personal preference. However, there is still that little bit of distortion that these buds have. So if you're somebody who likes bass heavy or EDM music, you're most probably going to like these earbuds. But if you're into vocals, I don't think these are the earphones for you. So out of the few earphones that have dual driver technology in this price range, Xiaomi has tried something different. They've not concentrated on features, they've concentrated more on sound. And you can tell this because there's so much less distortion in their earbuds compared to anything else in this range. So this seems like the very beginning of Xiaomi's adventure into the dual driver technology. For all you know, we could get much better sounding earphones at a much more affordable price, and I really look forward to seeing what Xiaomi has to offer in the future. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Paul. This has been Paul's POV. And if you're still there, like, share, and subscribe for future videos. Neighbors, man. Okay, wait.